Particle steel is characterized by evenly dispersed nitride particles in the steel, which prevent the expansion and movement of grain boundaries, thereby increasing the strength and hardness of the steel. The screw feeding device of particle steel ball press is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor, rotated by belt wheel and worm reducer, and the pressed material is forced into the main feed port. Due to the constant moment characteristics of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, when the amount of material required by the screw feeder and the host is equal, constant feeding pressure can be maintained so that pellet quality is stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the current of the feeding device is overloaded. If the feeding amount is too small, the ball will not be formed. Therefore, skilled operation skills are an important condition to ensure the normal operation of particle steel ball press.